Your voice isn't only good for talking and making weird noises, it can also be very helpful in many different ways while making a song and yes, even if you can't sing. In today's video, I'll show you 9 different things you can do with your voice. Number 1. Ambience. Hum a single note melody or sing a phrase to then blend it with reverb. If you're having trouble staying in tune, then auto-tune is your friend. I like using this free charm verb for these as it has a nice, rich and wide character. Take a vocal, you should subscribe, pitch it around, chop up, stretch, and reverse. You can also aggressively filter it like that and create bell spikes for certain formant vowels. Distorting the vocal after filtering is sometimes a great idea too. Make sure to cut the low end afterwards. Number 2. Layering. You can use your voice to first of all sing the main melody, and then support it with left, right, mid-low pitched, mid-high pitched takes. This way you can create big chorus vocals, phrases, or chords. You can of course position as many vocals as you want in any positions desirable. This was just an example. Number 3. Transitions. Record a vocal, add a huge amount of reverb, record, and reverse. Fade it in and get rid of the ending. Now you got a nice rising vocal, so great for transitions between sections or for introducing the main sound. You can also automate the pitch of it to turn it into an actual riser. Number 4. Generating ideas. One of the quickest ways of getting ideas out of your head is humming and beatboxing. Record your idea onto your phone or via the microphone straight into your DAW and then act on it by adding sounds that match it. Make sure to do it quickly as ideas tend to disappear pretty fast. Humming and singing is also great for jamming when you are stuck.
I'ma shoot you with the I'ma shoot you with the I'ma shoot you with the
Number 5. Creating instruments. Voice can be a really nice instrument. Record a single note. Now you can either add effects or slap it into the sampler. The order matters, so let's first add effects. Mainly form and shift it a bit. And maybe smooth it out a bit with Soothe. Now put it into the sampler, add reverb, and you can play. Let's now try first putting it into the sampler and then adding form and shifting, smoothing, and reverb. Number 6. Synthesis. Record a vocal I inhale pizzas and upload it as a wavetable to, for example, Vital.
I inhale pizzas. I inhale pizzas. I inhale pizzas.
Now you can use a human sounding wavetable to synthesize some cool sounds. You can also put the vocal into the sampler for an additional supporting layer for the main sound. I inhale pizzas. Number 7. Vocoding and Vocalism. Once you have recorded a vocal,
Maybe I should run away, I say vibe to my brain. When is this gonna change? Feel like I'ma go insane.
apply a vocoder onto it.
Maybe I should run away.
Once you send chords or melody into it, you will get this.
Maybe I should run away, I say vibe to my brain. When is this gonna change? Feel like I'ma go insane. Maybe I should run away, I say vibe to my brain. Hope it just stay the same, feel like it'll never change.
You can also apply tools like vocal synth onto the vocal to turn it into more of a robot rather than a human.
My brain, hope it just stay the same, feel like it. Maybe I should run away, I say vibe to my brain. Hope it just stay the same, feel like it'll never change.
Number 8. Supporting voices. Vocal can be a great supporting element of the main sound and can be used to add a human element to the track. Make sure to take a part of the vocal that you think will work harmonically. As you can see, the sound improved this section by a lot and gave it more power. Number 9. Vocal chops and melodies. One of the most common things producers do with vocals is chopping them up.
No, we never choose. Always wishing for something to come true.
Reverse. Pitch it around. Chop the vocal. Apply effects. And boom, we got nice vocal chops. Vocals like that can be used as the main melody in a track or as a background layer or counter melody. So that's it for today. Hope these tips were helpful, and now you know that your voice is actually capable of a lot of good creative things. Check out Oversampled.us for some quality samples and presets. As always, have a great day and bye.